Hey everyone, I'm Gracie. Welcome to another video of B&K Sports Cards on Kids Day Wednesday. Today my little brother is opening up wrestling cards.
Hi, my name's Connor, and we're opening up more wrestling cards.
Connor is back here today, opening up 5 packs of wrestling cards today. He's bound and determined to find something in these wrestling packs. So let's see if we can what he gets out of here. 5 packs coming up, and Connor take over there. Bronson Reed.
Bronson Reed.
Bronson Reed.
Bronson Reed.
It's the Bronson Reed pack. Keith Lee.
Keith Lee.
Purple. Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
Walter.
Walter.
Yep. Kushida.
Kushida.
Johnny Gargano.
Johnny Gargano.
Good job. All right.
Hopefully we'll get something in this.
Yep. Keith Lee.
Keith Lee.
Karrion Kross.
Karrion Kross.
Matt Martell.
Matt Martell.
Matt Martell.
Catanzaro. Catanzaro. Looks like we got a Damian Priest
Ooh.
illustrated card. That's a nice one. Adam Cole.
Adam Cole.
Breezango.
Breezango.
Right. 2 packs in. Now, I like those nice illustrated cards. Those are pretty cool looking, ain't they, Connor?
Mm-hmm.
You like those?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Tozawa.
Tozawa.
Tozawa again.
Tozawa.
It's a Tozawa pack. Swerve Scott.
Swerve Scott.
Fandango.
Fandango.
Riddick Moss.
Riddick Moss.
Damian Priest.
Damian Priest.
And Johnny Gargano.
Johnny Gargano.
Okay. 2 packs left. You gonna try to open it? Huh?
I don't think he's going to get it.
Head shakes don't work on videos. You gonna try to open it?
Yep.
Here, let Dad open it.
Let me try it.
Tear up the card.
We got the dog going crazy in the background here. Johnny Gargano.
Johnny Gargano.
Keith Lee.
Keith Lee.
Who's that?
Finn Balor.
Yeah, purple. Not numbered. Bronson Reed.
Bronson Reed.
Malcolm Bivens.
Malcolm Bivens.
Oni Lorcan and Danny Burch. Finn Balor.
Finn Balor.
Last pack of the day for Conrad here
Thank you.
on
B&K Sports Cards win Kids Day Wednesday.
okay. See what we get here in his last pack of this. Oni Lorcan and Danny Burch win the titles. Okay. Kushida.
Kushida.
Jesse Camilla.
Jesse Camilla.
Dexter Loomis.
Dexter Loomis.
Who's that guy?
Finn Balor.
There you go. He knows that one. Tommaso Ciampa.
Tommaso Ciampa.
Damian Priest.
Damian Priest.
Who's he beating up?
Finn Balor.
Uh-oh. You don't like that, do you?
No.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Bye.